Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel again. My name is T Prosper, and if you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel. And for those who have been watching me, you're welcome back to another video again. So today we're going to be talking about how to make a flyer using Coreldraw in less than 5 minutes. So in subsequent videos, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Illustrator and Photoshop to do flyers in less than 5 minutes. But for today's video, we're going to be making use of Coreldraw. So stick right up and let's jump into this. And please do not forget to subscribe and like this video and share with your friends and family. Thank you so much. Okay, let's jump right off. First things first, there are a couple of websites where you can actually download a whole lot of graphics from. But for today's video, we're going to be using freepik.com. Not really that freepik.com is the only website where you can download a whole lot of graphics from. There are a couple of other ones, but I make use of freepik.com, and as you can see, there are a lot of graphics that you could be able to make use of. So we have to just jump right off to create a flyer. So you could just search for flyer, and depending on the dimensions you want to make use of, it could be a square flyer, it could be the normal rectangular flyer. So for this video, I'm just going to go with something really simple that we could be able to work with. And yeah, so guys, here's this flyer, and see, so we'll go right off, download it. Yeah, and after the download is done, head right off to a Coreldraw, open it. You could just choose any custom settings, any settings at all for your Coreldraw. We're not interested in the dimensions. We're going to probably use the dimensions of the flyer. So the Coreldraw is open. You open up the file we just downloaded and just drag right in. And that's that about that. So here's the flyer. I mean, you really don't need to have a lot of knowledge concerning this. So here is the flyer we just downloaded. So we'll head right off to, first things first, try to ungroup it. Right click and ungroup. You still have to do the same thing a couple of times again, but the best thing you should do is ungroup all. So once you've done that, everything is in bits. Everything gets to be individual. So yeah, let's head right off, and you can change this to demo. So I just want to make use of the text tool, change it to demo. Oh, we could do something. Okay, let's just try and expand this. So let's go ahead and expand this. I really want it to be bigger, and I would say demo class. Yeah. So demo. So yeah, we adjust that. So you could always import or change anything. You could then let's change this to class invitation. So we'll go back, select the pick tool, go down. Now it depends on what we actually want to achieve with this flyer. So you could have a whole lot of content you want to put and some graphics you want to put. So you could just head right off. Let me look for a picture. Now this is just the basic graphics. So I could expand this. And one thing I want to do is I want to send it behind the picture. So I just come here, order behind, send it behind this. So if you drag it back, you see that it's behind there. So we also want to send it behind this design here, each order behind this. So see, so I still want to send it behind again. I want to just send it to the back of page. That's all. So yeah, so I bring back my shadow. I really need my shadow though, so let me expand the shadow and all that. But it's fine. This is it. So you can notice that the text is no longer bright. So we could go ahead and work on the text, change it to white. Change this is really bright so we could see it. And then we could go ahead and make something really simple. For this place, we could actually leave the tip to be like this, or we could walk around doing something, really nice to probably, fit to make the hand look good. So note that I'm just adjusting this, no special effects or anything, just my peak tool and adjustment. I'm using the peak tool to make a lot of adjustments. So I really want us to change this to a color that would be bright, that will go with this color. So what color do you think? I think yeah, that's beautiful. For me, that's beautiful. You could go with any color. You could go with white, you could go with any other thing, but I think I'm gonna go with this. Okay, let's go with white. So let's change the whole text to white. Class invitation. I think it's not looking really big, so we could just increase it to 24. And I think we should make everything white and make it bold. And this could just do away with this. And make this big. Class invitation. Now you could go ahead to modify and change the fonts, change a whole lot of fonts, but let's just leave that. And you could change this to "we are inviting you." So you're invited. So this is just it. And you head down here and see all this. The flyer came with a whole lot of already put text, so you have to remove the ones you want and then put the ones you need. So I just want to remove this, and I also want to remove this. So you could always change this to whatever you want. So offer today, book now. Then you could go ahead and put another text here. Classes begin on Monday, 20th August. This command what I actually did was to put it at the center. So we could always put it at the left or put it at the center. So this is just a basic flyer, and we could choose to use another color, or we could make use of the color in this graphic. So you could just go and select your color to pick this color, add it here. So I added it here, and then just head right back and listen. That is it. So I actually want to change my font and make it bolder, so I made it bold. And let me change my font to Roboto. I actually love using Roboto because it's a universal font. So location could be South Africa. I'll remove this. So we're making use of just the location. So you could always import more icons to use the location icon, the Facebook icon. If you want to do all that, you could still head right back and close this. You could go right back and select icons. It could be social media icons or any kind of icons you want. So these are tons and tons and tons of icons. So you could just go with this one, and it has the icons come in a set. You just download this. Really, I think you could do well with the free download option for freepix.com. Please note that this video is not sponsored in any way by freepix.com, but I just want to use it because they are really good and they have a whole lot of icon sets and stuff that we could use. So we could go back and just drag it right in, into your Coreldraw. It could work with any year of Coreldraw, 2020, 2019, 2027, anyone. So sorry, just have to minimize this. So this is what we're working with. So here is it. So I told you one group all. Try and make it expanded so we could see. So I want to pick the icon for phone call. So So if you want to group it, just press Command G for grouping. So we drag it right into our flyer. And put a phone number, and we could always change the color. It's really easy. So if we want to make use of the same color, we'll go and pick a color eyedropper tool, and then we'll just select this color, and we'll do the same thing here, and that is it. Okay, so we could just put the phone number, that's +27 33445. This is just for demo purposes, and we just put it here. Phone number, location, South Africa. Please, you could more precise in your location and all that. So you could go ahead and remove this since we've put the phone number, and so you could just put your website, www.yourwebsite.com, if you have a website, or if your client that you're doing the flyer for has a website. So because of the social media icons that are here, you could just put @demo_class. Yeah, this is just for demo purposes, and then you could just leave it right here, and boom, the flyer is done. You just go ahead and mark all this, delete. Now this is just your basic flyer, as simple as it is, really fine and all that. So you could just try and make some adjustment, try to put one or two things in place, check for places where there's overlap, just like this place, adjust it. Also adjust this place, make sure that you zoom right in to check for overlap, and do the same thing for every other place. So here, you notice that there's an overlap, make it a fit. Make sure dimensions are always accurate. So we're pretty much done. Just expand this, make it look good. Look for places where there are little errors. See? Expand this. Expand this also. Zoom right in. You expand this too. Yeah, that's it about that. So once you're done, you just group it, Command G or Control G if you're using Windows. Then you do the same thing for export. You just come right here, you export demo flyer. Change the format you want to put it. Want to use a JPEG, and you export it. You see? You could make use of the high quality, or you could just leave it to be at the custom quality. And that's that about that. Next thing you have to do is to just click OK. And that is it. Check what we did. So guys, this is the flyer we just finished. Alright guys, thank you for watching that video. I hope it really helped you, and I hope you could be able to do your own flyer in less than 5 minutes. In subsequent videos, I'm going to be talking about how to use Adobe Illustrator and how to use Photoshop to create your own flyers in less than 5 minutes. Thank you so much, and please do well to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Bye.